In this video we would like to introduce the sourcing module to you. It is one of 3 Promitea modules. The sourcing module is intended for the purchase of leverage products. They are purchased in competition from several competing providers. Depending on the industry, the cost share of leverage products in the full costs of purchasing is around 50–80%. The Promitea module automates your sourcing processes. It makes it easier for you to submit requests for quotation and electronic auctions. It makes it easier for suppliers to create their offers. Offers are evaluated automatically and objectively. Promitea automates these purchasing processes with the following steps. The user takes over the items, for example, from your ERP, from catalogs in the Promitea system, or from templates of projects that have already been completed. The criteria that complement the main criterion price are defined in the evaluation criteria page. This can be, for example, product guarantees, delivery times, payment terms, or any other criteria. The attachments can also be added to the project. The project manager can specify which documents he requires from the suppliers. The suppliers to be invited are specified in the suppliers page. Promitea supports the selection of suppliers using match codes from their assignment to product groups or from templates or projects that have already been carried out. After entering all project data, Promitea automatically generates the invitations for all assigned suppliers. The supplier sees the description of the project in the data fields that he has to fill out in the bid room mask. The supplier only enters the prices of the individual items and, if defined, the degree of fulfillment of the non-monetary evaluation criteria. Then he sends his bid to the buyer. The effort is in the range of a few minutes. After receiving all bids or after submission deadline, the buyer sees the automatic comparison of all offers in his bidding area. The mask displays the bids of individual suppliers in order of their attractiveness. The dates of the best bid can also serve as the basis for an order. Promitea offers these alternatives of sourcing processes. All alternatives can be repeated as desired and are combined to form efficient strategies. All data are summarized in various reports and distributed to defined groups of recipients. Compliance is served by a log system in which all interventions by all those involved are archived, as well as a structured approval process for the project results. With Promitea sourcing, you can reduce your costs for the first project by at least 25%, for repeating project by up to 80%, and purchase costs by 10%. This was a brief look at the functionality of the Promitea sourcing module. You can get more details on our blog or in an individual webinar or in a test access to Promitea. Our support team is available in English, German, and Czech for queries. If required, we offer you consulting for complex projects. We thank you for your attention.